Demystifying Phrasal Verbs, Synonyms and Antonyms Explained. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the fascinating world of English grammar. Today's topic is all about phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on their synonyms and antonyms. It's a fun way to expand your vocabulary and make your English sound more natural. Let's take a quick refresher. Phrasal verbs are unique verb constructions that consist of a verb and one or more particles. These particles are usually prepositions or adverbs, and together, they form a new verb with a completely different meaning. For example, the verb look and the preposition up can be combined to form the phrasal verb look up, which means to search for something. Now, let's delve into synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same or very similar meanings. Every phrasal verb has a one-word equivalent that's more formal and often used in written English. For example, the phrasal verb give up has the synonym surrender. Both words mean the same thing, but surrender is a bit more formal. Just like with regular verbs, phrasal verbs also have antonyms, which are words with opposite meanings. Identifying antonyms can be a little tricky as they depend on the context. Taking our previous example, give up, meaning to stop trying, its antonym could be persist, which means to continue trying despite difficulty. Understanding the synonyms and antonyms of phrasal verbs is an excellent way to enrich your English vocabulary. It can help you communicate more effectively by choosing the most appropriate word based on the context, formal or informal, positive or negative. Moreover, by learning the synonyms and antonyms of phrasal verbs, you'll gain a deeper understanding of English language nuances, enabling you to sound more like a native speaker. And that's a wrap on phrasal verbs, their synonyms, and antonyms. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, practice is key when learning English, so don't forget to use these new words and phrases in your daily conversations. Keep exploring the exciting world of English language learning, and we'll see you in the next video.